So I've gotten a lot of questions on how is this area sealed right here? Here's our exterior wall, there's gonna be a pocket wall on the inside, but how is this area sealed? And you can see this piece of aluminum here, it's been screwed into place. It's not connected to this last panel here. This is what I call the post interlock. Different people have different names for it, but I call it the post interlock. And it engages with this last panel here. This last panel can slide all the way past it. So when I'm installing it, I like to put, there's screws on the inside, we'll show you those, but I like to put these center screws in, one of these two here, and make sure that that engages well with the panel. And then I actually bring the panel all the way over, and I can match the interlock up with the rest of the panel. So when the panel's all the way open, it has a really nice clean reveal. Now this is gonna get caulked on the outside in this little gap here. We're gonna put our 6-inch flashing tape over top of that, the zip system tape. So caulking, we're gonna caulk the tops and the bottoms here, and then the zip tape, and we'll walk around to the inside. I'll show you that real quick. So on the inside here, you can see this black piece, and it's what holds the actual pocket cover. And we haven't installed that yet, but it engages. If you can see the aluminum, here's the aluminum, same piece, it's all one piece. And here it is on the inside. So here's our black painted plywood. This wall's been insulated. This interlock engages with this black piece that's attached to this last panel. So we talked about caulking on the outside and tape. We're also gonna foam in this joint here. We're gonna let that cure, and then we're gonna cut it all off, and we're gonna paint that foam black so that when the door is open and somebody can see that little detail there, they don't see a bunch of messy foam. So that's how this area gets sealed, is this interlock right here. It's a little tricky to install, so that's why I do these first 2 screws and adjust it so that it looks really nice with the panel reveal.